Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing what the app needs: a compatible phone, an email or phone number, and a secure password. Once ready, open the App Store or Play Store and download NXT Digital. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi to save data. Tap Install, then open the app. It will request permissions, grant storage and camera so features work. Next, choose Sign Up and enter your email or phone. This starts the registration flow and ensures you can receive verification codes. You'll now fill in detailed account information. Type your full name and date of birth accurately because they're used for recovery and compliance. When choosing a username, pick something memorable and test availability. Avoid spaces or emojis. Once done, set a recovery email or phone. This prevents lockouts. If the app prompts for ID verification, follow the guidance. Use good lighting, frame your face or document, and upload a clear image. Also enable two-factor authentication for better security before proceeding. Finish by entering the verification code you received. Type it exactly and submit. Once verified, the app walks you through privacy controls and notification settings. Adjust them to your comfort and link a payment method only if you plan purchases. Make sure to review terms and enable biometric unlock if available for faster future access. If something fails, try resending the code, check spam or block numbers, and restart the app. These steps solve most verification and network hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.